Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and I am back with a Framer theme preview. These are our very own premium Framer themes, which you can purchase on the Framer Marketplace or directly from our website, coastalthemes.com. We sell Ghost and Framer themes for you to enjoy. So this is one of our premium themes. It is called Newport, and it is a bold, modern agency theme, which is appropriate for your digital marketing agency, design agency, or any business or company that you're running where you think this would fit. As always, drop it into your framer, change the colors, change the fonts if you'd like, delete the modules you don't need, and simply keep the ones you do. We've got some really nice animations, such as carousels, some hover animations, and so on. We have two CMS sections, our case study and our blog, and we have three lovely homepages, which I will show you now. This is one of them. You can see it comes complete with nice hover effects, sections for you to customize, testimonial sections, pricing, and our blog section. And it's all complete with a lovely footer section for you to encourage your users to sign up. So let's jump to one of the different homepages. So that was homepage 1. We'll jump to homepage 2, which has a central aligned hero section with a really cool animation with text in the background where you can overlay an image of your choice. It's a great space for you to feature some of the brands which have worked with you or using your products. Highlight some stats, and to overall customize to how you see fit with your content. And then we'll jump into our final homepage, homepage 3, which is also a central aligned hero section, this time without that image. We have some cool USPs where you can see you can include different images and text, space for custom iconography, logos once again, and overall just a different approach with some really lovely hover effects on these sections. And then we'll jump into our case study section. So this is our collection pages, one of our CMS pages. You can see here, you can tag your content and pull all the tags through to the listing page. And when you click on one of these, it will show you the case study in detail, allowing you to highlight any information you need, the company, the date, the services you completed, as well as results and an overview of services provided. And then you can complete it with the content you need and the images you'd like to add. And finally, we have our blog section, which is our other CMS collection, a similar layout to the case study section, but this time we have space for a featured article and all the articles you would expect in a blog. When you click through here, you can see here you have space for a hero image and your blog content plus any imagery, and a pull quote, which you can encourage users to share on social media. Lastly, we have our Let's Talk/Contact Us page, which includes Framer's lovely forms. Here we have name, email, and message, but you can customize this with the fields you need to collect from your users. And that's it. Those are the key pages on the Newport theme. If you jump into the coastalthemes.com website, you can click on Framer Templates, scroll down, and you will see Newport hidden here all the way at the bottom. You can click here to download, or you can go into the Framer Marketplace and search Newport. You can purchase this by clicking directly on the theme to get the Framer template, or you can purchase all our themes to get club access, which gives you access to all our themes. This is lifetime access with premium support and early access to any new themes we release. And one last thing, if you need any help, you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, or jump over to coastalthemes.com, click on contact us and fill out the contact form, and we will get back to you answering all and any of your questions that you may have. And that is our Newport theme. It's a lovely theme. We hope you love it as much as we do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!